Hi guys, just on a walk up from Ladies View here, just outside Killarney. It's like a 15-minute drive outside. You get a pretty good view, as you'll see. Hopefully if my last video recorded for me, I'll be able to upload that as well. I had a problem with the battery, so but I think it's okay. So yeah, just walking out now up this way a little bit. There's a lot of tourists around lately, a lot of bus trips going around the Ring of Kerry, and they come up this way, this direction as well. This is also used for a cycle once a year called the Ring of Kerry cycle, which thousands of people cycle in every single year. And this road is also used for the Rally of the Lakes in Killarney, which happens in May, the first weekend in May every year, I'm pretty sure. Kind of gives you some view up here. Obviously when the sun is shining it's a much better view, but we ain't got that luxury today. Not yet anyway, unless it comes out later. Tourists, remember to drive on the left. Everyone remember to drive on the left. You too, buddy. Yeah, so I'm just getting my daily exercise in today. So I said I'd come up this direction. And I hear a helicopter over there in the distance. I hope everybody is okay. The reason I say that is because up this direction you often have a lot of accidents, people climbing, well not a lot but quite often people climbing or different things like that, and then they got to send out the rescue helicopter to go get them. Kind of the view you get from up here. And over that way there's a road called the Old Kinmare Road. It goes from Killarney, County Kerry to Kinmare, County Kerry. And you can do all that by main road too, but a lot of people like to walk it. It's kind of like an old road, hence the name Old Kinmare Road. So yeah. I've actually never walked up this way either, so it's interesting for me too. And like I said in the last vlog, I'm looking forward to Poland this week. Flying out on Saturday. Oh, there's a lake. Yeah, flying out on Saturday, and I'll be visiting a few places there, so I'm looking forward to that. I'm on the main road. I hope I don't get killed, God forbid. There's not really many places to hide up this direction. Could easily get hit by a car, so I think I'll be coming up to another viewing point in a minute. Up this direction. Like I said in the last vlog, for those who've seen Jurassic Park, I always think, or Jurassic World, I always think when I'm up this direction of those movies, you know. It looks like I even hear the theme tune going off in my head. like I was saying, there's the Long Range River. You can actually see a boat going up there. And a bit later on in the year, I'll do a walk this direction. Goes from Killarney all the way up to Ladies View, down into the Black Valley. A place that didn't have electricity up until maybe, I don't know, like 20 years ago. They only got electricity up there. So yeah. Bikes speeding past, like I was just saying, they're training for the Ring of Kerry cycle, which is actually not long to go, I think, until that happens. I think it's like a month or two, not even, probably no, less. I think it's like July, sometime in July. Pretty safe, I reckon. So yeah, hopefully guys, later on in the week I will bring you to Dingle as well. If I can get there before I get to Poland, I'll bring you to Dingle, Co.Kerry. If it's not too windy, maybe go out on the boat and see the dolphin, fungi. Be good to get on to Skellig Michael this year as well. That's the place where they shot Star Wars. Some of Star Wars, the episodes, or the films, not the episodes, but yeah, so if I can get out onto that one I will, although I know the boat trips are full for going onto the actual island. The ones that dock and leave you on. But there might be, if I get space, I'll go. If not, I might just get out there on one of them that aren't full, that actually allow you to tour around Skellig Michael and the other island that's next to it. I think it's the Blasket Island. So yeah. A lot of tourists come up here camping too, this area. I was watching something yesterday as well about van life, which is very attractive to me. Actually getting a van, you know, just heading off around Europe or something like that. Live in the van, vlog my experiences. Gotta shut off that phone. Yeah, so guys, that's pretty much it for this vlog. Like I said, I just took you out on the second part of my morning walk. Something to shoot before Poland, and that's pretty much the view you get from up here. And like I said before, if you like the content you see on this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. it helps me support for the channel, and just trying to grow it at the moment. And so yeah, I wish you all a wonderful day, whatever it is that you're doing. And if I'm correct here, no, I might be wrong, on a clear day I'll bring you back up here, but that's Killarney mountain. It's the largest mountain in Ireland. So actually I can bring you up there, up to the base of it, or the foot of it. Couldn't even climb it once we get good weather, so yeah. And that is the Purple Mountain, which is accessible from the Gap of Dunno, Killarney, and it's also accessible from different angles, but one of the safest routes is from the Gap of Dunno. So for any of you climbers out there, that's a great mountain to climb, and a really good view as well from the top. And that is the Black Valley down here. So, okay guys, see you later.